How to stop laptop from turning off by itself when it's idle. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your laptop from turning off by itself when it's idle. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. You need to head over to your start menu and from here you need to click on settings. Now that you're in the settings, you need to simply click on system and from here you need to scroll and click on battery and power. Once you do that, you can see an option that says screen and sleep. You need to simply click on that and here you can see the several options. Now from here you can see the option that says when plugged in, turn off my screen after. Here you can see after 5 hours. You can go ahead and click on never. And once you do that, when plugged in, put my device to sleep after will also turn to never. And once you do that, your screen will not be turned off even when the screen is idle. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.